Hi, I'm Erin. I'm at one of the 31 of Jiffy Lube, Indiana's Multicare centers where they can do brakes, tires, and other repairs. I'm getting new tires on my car, so let's go see what's going on.
Hi, I'm Matt Foy, District Manager with Jiffy Lube of Indiana. We're here today with a vehicle that's to the point where the tires need to be replaced. Look at these tires. There's a few ways you can actually tell they need to be replaced. Once we get this wheel off, we can take a better look. But one quick check you can do is the penny test. You can do that at home. And if you have a penny, you can take it, and if you stick it in the tire tread, if you can see the top of Lincoln's head, like we can right there, it's time to replace your tires. So that's just a quick, easy check you can do. Also, if you're not sure, you're not comfortable checking that yourself, pretty much any automotive repair facility is going to have a tire tread depth gauge like this. And what you can do is we stick this in the tire, and it measures exactly how much tire tread you have. And on this particular tire, it has about 3/30 seconds of tread left, which is right at the point where it needs to be replaced. All right, so if we take a look at this tire, there's this bar in the tire tread, and you can see that all the way across. Now this tire is worn a little unevenly, but you can see here on the outside, the tire tread is actually even with that wear bar. That wear bar is at 2/30 seconds of tire tread, and once the tire is worn to that level, it's considered legally bald. So it's definitely time to replace these. Another thing that's really important to take care of and keep an eye on with your vehicle's tires is the inflation pressure. Not only can it affect the safety of your vehicle, but it also can have a big effect on how quickly your tires wear. So in order to figure out how to the proper pressure for your tires, a lot of people think that you may want to look at the sidewall of the tire to see how much pressure goes in there. That's actually not the case. What you want to do is open the door of your vehicle, and it should have a tag right here that's going to tell you exactly how much pressure should go in the tires. So if you look, this particular vehicle needs 33 psi in the tires. So you would then you can either get a gauge and check, or even just take it to a repair facility. I'm sure they'd be more than happy to check that for you. But the inflation pressure is very important for tires. And just keep in mind, tires are one of the most important safety components of your vehicle. They affect the way it handles, the way it brakes. So it's really important to keep a close eye on. All right, and one other thing to keep an eye on, this particular vehicle doesn't actually have a spare tire, but a lot of vehicles still do. You want to make sure that you check that spare tire pressure periodically. It's kind of a forgotten item, so if you were to get a flat tire and you get that spare out, you don't want to find out that it's flat or doesn't have the right amount of pressure and can fail. So that's also something to keep an eye on.